welcome back. I hope everyone is starting their 2021 healthy and happy. Today I have another video for you for pressure cooker salsa chicken, which is a request from one of my subscribers, so thank you so much. Okay, so let's get started. We are using a pressure cooker. It is not the name brand pressure cooker, but I purchased it actually for half the price at Aldi and I love it. So we have 4 chicken thighs, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of salsa, a packet of taco seasoning, and feel free to make your own if that's what floats your boat, but I'm using a packet, and then some cayenne pepper because we like it spicy here in my house. In addition, like with all of my recipes, you want to season them with salt and pepper to taste. Okay, so the first step is we're going to add the chicken thighs to the pressure cooker container, and I've added a little bit of olive oil just to make sure that nothing stuck to the bottom. It's very important that you have enough liquid when you're using a pressure cooker, because if you don't, a couple of things can happen. You can get the burn icon and it will stop cooking, or it won't actually seal. So this is a really quick dump and go recipe, so you can make this on your way to work. You can make it as soon as you get home. It only takes 20 minutes from fresh chicken thighs and 30 minutes from frozen chicken thighs. So either way, you're going to add all of the ingredients that we previously listed and give it a good stir, and you're all set. Okay, so now we're going to add the lid, and we're going to make sure that we have it set to airtight. As you see here on my pressure cooker, there's a little something there. It's because I actually made pressure cooker black beans right before this, so excuse that. As far as for the timer, you want to set this, since it's fresh chicken, like I previously said, to 20 minutes on manual, and then allow it to seal. Once it seals, you're going to either allow it to release naturally or do a quick release and use 2 forks to go ahead and shred it. Now, when you're shredding it, I started shredding it in the actual container, but my golly, that was way too hot. So I ended up transferring it into a glass bowl, shredding it, and then returning it back. It's really important to return it back to the container and bring it back up to temperature. And the reason for that is the components of the taco seasoning will actually allow it to thicken, and it makes it the most luscious sauce. You do a double check on seasoning for salt and pepper, and you're all set for service. This is a perfect recipe to use on Taco Tuesday. It does fit within the macros for a lot of diet plans that people are trying in 2021. I appreciate all of you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. And if you have a suggestion, please write below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.